Welcome everyone. This is the Optima Tax Show for people who owe. I'm Dave.
And I'm Phil.
And today we're here to talk about the American Rescue Plan, commonly known as Stimulus 3. This is a massive bill approved by President Biden that's to help Americans that are struggling as a result of the COVID pandemic. Now, Phil, this is a massive bill. What are some of the things that are different in this Stimulus 3 than the prior stimulus plans?
So the things that are going to catch the taxpayers' eyes is definitely the amount. You're going to be receiving $1,400 instead of the $600.
Wow.
But also, I think more importantly, the amount of people in your households that qualify will be a lot greater this time around.
So more people qualify, Phil? Tell us how.
So previously, where the dependent had to be either 16 years of age or younger, now that restriction is no longer there. Any dependent claimed on your tax return would be eligible for that additional $1,400 per head.
Even if I'm like 60 years old like me?
Correct.
Any dependent counts?
Any dependent counts.
Wow, that's going to be a lot more people getting that $1,400. Did they get the full amount?
Yes, they do. There is an asterisk. It really depends on your AGI. And for those that are not familiar with what AGI means, that is your adjusted gross income.
Well, Phil, I got what we can qualify for. What are some of the things that will disqualify us?
So like the past packages, this one still has a phase out. So meaning...
Based on what?
Based on your income.
Okay.
So previously, you would receive $0 once you hit $87,000 as a single taxpayer.
Okay.
Under this new bill, that amount has been reduced down to $80,000. So if you make $80,000 or more, you actually won't be eligible this time around.
So it's a much steeper drop.
Correct.
Okay, so this is a much shorter tax season. The IRS just got asked to distribute this massive amount of payments and checks for Stimulus 3. What are some of the things taxpayers who owe can do to make sure they don't miss out on this opportunity?
So typically people who owe also have issues with filing on time.
Got it.
So our number one recommendation is to file your return timely. File something.
Okay.
It's really important that they have your most current address on file, as well as your banking information.
Okay, so those folks that are off the grid, there's a lot of money on the table, so it's a great time for you to step forward and either file a return or file an extension. A great time to introduce our Optima Tax App, where you can file a free extension, which is going to be a lot of people this year, with considering all the uncertainty and confusion with this tax season. You can download the Optima Tax App on any mobile phone, where you can file a free tax extension, as well as many other tools available for taxpayers who owe. Phil, any last words for everyone?
Yeah, file something.
File something. That concludes the show for today, everyone. Be sure to like
and subscribe.
All of our videos are available on YouTube. See you soon.